I am Kamal Bhatia, Assistant Professor, ABES Engineering College, Ghaziabad. This is the lecture series for Network Analysis and Synthesis, AKTU code BEC 303. In unit number 1, we will try to discuss the fundamentals of network analysis. The topics in the unit number 1 are, the first topic is nodal analysis. We know that in any electrical network or circuit, there is a need to find the voltage or current. So nodal analysis is a method which will help us to find out the current or voltage in any circuit. The second topic is mesh analysis. Same, current or voltage in any circuit or network can be calculated using this mesh analysis. The third topic is duality. In this topic, the dual of any electrical network is going to design which will have the same characterizing equation. The fourth topic in the unit number 1 is source transformation approach. That means practical voltage source is going to convert into practical current source or vice versa to solve the circuits and in order to make it easy. The fifth topic is matrix approach of solving circuits. So any circuit or network can be solved by the matrix approach. The references we are going to use here: Franklin F. Coe, Van Valkenburg, Sudhakar, a William Head, and the Anand Kumar. These are the 5 books. Disclaimer. Thank you for listening this lecture.